Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a connected island with production and a free trade slot. Start now by placing a trade office, a warehouse, and at least one ship, ideally two to avoid downtime. Next, create a route. Pick an origin, one or two stops, and the exported goods you want to move. Once done, set frequency and convoy size so shipments match production rates. This prevents stockouts and wasted space, and it immediately makes your economy start flowing. Once routes run, you optimize. You check production surplus and consumer demand, then adjust shipment quantities so exports don't deplete local needs. Aim for 1/2-to-1 ratio for scarce items. Make routes efficient. Shorten stops, upgrade ships for speed, and split heavy loads across multiple vessels. Also connect trade offices to trade unions or specialists to boost yield and reduce idle time. Make sure to reevaluate after technological unlocks and city growth, because shifting demand will require quick route changes. To finish, stabilize your network. Stagger departures so ports aren't bottlenecked, and set buffer stock in warehouses to absorb delays. Once stable, expand with trading posts or agreements to access distant markets and higher profit margins. If things go wrong, ships stuck, warehouses full, or goods vanishing, pause routes, inspect each warehouse and ship manifest, then reassign or sell excess goods. This clears blockages and restores flow. Remember, proactive monitoring.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.